is day 2 in Puerto Rico, and we head into a Yunque Zipline. I did book this trip from TripAdvisor, and I'll put a link below. If you want to check it out, you can check it out. Things you need to know before booking this is that you need to be a maximum of 250 pounds and a minimum of 8 years old. We did use Uber to get to the location, and it took less than 45 minutes from our hotel, which wasn't bad. And some people prefer using renting their cars. If you want to do that, that's the fun. We got to our location 15 minutes per our meeting time, and this ride consists of 9 different heights and 9 different spots. And we got our gear, and we're ready to ride. So we're heading out now, and we're going on a zip line.
Hold on, go ahead, I got you.
Selector, rewind selector, rewind selector. Rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector.
This one was the longest of all, and it was really fun, and there was no break. You just go on. I was able to hold my phone and the other hand or the rail, whatever it's called, and it was really fun. When I say fun, it was fun, and it's the highest of all. No break.
No break. Yeah, one.
You ready, Titi? You got this.
3.
That was a good idea.
A little bit. 1, 2, 3. Keep it like that. Watch out the branch.
Okay, you made it. That was the last line, right? I think so.
We made it. You need to try it. You need to try it.
While our moms were praying for us.
We're right here taking some risks. And I'm burning so fast. I need to catch my breath. But it was great. You need to try it sometime.
Mommy, Titi, Mommy, water. Thank you.